Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of plant-based proteins and how they can positively impact our health. Plant-based foods are packed with fiber, essential nutrients, and antioxidants that may help prevent chronic illnesses like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Plus, they can aid in maintaining a healthy weight. So, if you're looking to add more plant proteins to your meals, stick around for some great tips. First things first, let's talk about what plant proteins are. It's simple, aim to fill at least 2/3 of your plate with plant-based foods like whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legume beans. The remaining third can be filled with meat or other plant-based alternatives. Here are some examples of whole food sources of plant proteins that you can easily incorporate into your diet. Green peas, kidney, black, pinto, or cannellini beans, lentils, nutritional yeast, nuts and nut butter, quinoa, seeds. And speaking of alternatives, the market offers a wide range of processed plant-based meat alternatives, like meat balls, burgers, crumbles, chicken tenders, and fish fillets. They've come a long way in texture and flavor, but remember that whole food, plant-based protein options might still offer more benefits. So, how do you incorporate more plant-based proteins into your diet? Well, let's start with what's familiar. If meat has traditionally been the star of a dish, such as a soup, stew, salad, casserole, or lasagna, try increasing ingredients like vegetables, nuts, or legume beans while reducing the amount of meat in the recipe. Next, consider using familiar sauces that are commonly paired with meat proteins. Buffalo, marinara, barbecue, tikka masala, honey mustard, and sweet and sour sauces all pair wonderfully with plant-based proteins. Exploring traditional recipes from different cultures is also a great idea. Greek, Indian, Italian, Mexican, and Asian cuisines often include an abundance of plant-based proteins that are both delicious and nutritious. Now, let's talk about enhancing the texture and flavors of your plant-based dishes. You can add a heartier texture by incorporating ingredients like mushrooms, jackfruit, eggplant, carrots, or artichoke hearts. To create savory flavors, experiment with dried tomatoes, winter squash like butternut or acorn, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, olives, corn, or toasted nuts. And don't forget the power of slow sautéed onions in olive oil. They develop a beautiful brown color and a delicious caramelized flavor. Finally, don't be shy with herbs, spices, and garlic. Increasing their presence in your dishes will elevate the flavors and make your plant-based meals truly delightful. There you have it, some fantastic tips for incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet. Remember, these foods not only taste amazing but also contribute to a healthier you. So, go ahead and get creative with your meals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.